In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a base in Word, specifically how to format a subscript in a Microsoft Word document. This useful feature can be applied, for example, in scientific or mathematical documents where you need to denote chemical formulas or mathematical variables. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can either start a new document or open one of your existing documents where you plan to add a base or subscript text. Once you're in Word, the next step is to type out the base and the number you want to appear as a subscript. For instance, if you're writing a chemical formula like H2O, you'll type H2O initially. After typing the text, you need to select and highlight the part of the text that you want to format as a subscript. Using our example, this would be the 2 in H2O. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the character or simply double-clicking the number if it's a single digit. Next, you'll look for the subscript button located in the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. Specifically, you'll find this in the font group. It's represented by an X with a smaller 2 slightly lower than the X, which indicates the subscript formatting. Go ahead and click this button and you'll see the selected number turn into a subscript. Now, if you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts for quick formatting, there's a handy one for creating a subscript. Simply hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys together and then press the minus key on your keyboard. This will instantly change your selected text into a subscript. If you ever need to remove the subscript or undo the formatting, you can easily revert back by using the same shortcut keys, Ctrl, Shift, and Hua. Alternatively, you can click the subscript button again to toggle it off. This convenience allows you to apply and remove subscript formatting without hassle, ensuring your document looks just the way you want it to. And there you have it. You now know how to format text as a subscript in Microsoft Word, making your documents look more professional and specialized. Whether for academic papers, scientific work, or any detailed report, this feature can be a real game changer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.